It is safe to get dental work done in Colombia? Hey, if you're thinking about traveling outside the US and Canada for dental crowns, this video is meant for you. Stay with me as I walk you through the most common questions we hear every single day from patients just like you. I'm Dr. Rodríguez, General and Cosmetic Dentist here in Cartagena, Colombia. At our office, we help international patients, mainly from the US and Canada, who travel here for dental crowns, veneers, and full-mouth restorations. Most of these patients want to feel better again, eat well, and have a beautiful, natural-looking smile they can truly trust. If you've been putting off dental work because it's become expensive at home and traveling overseas feels intimidating, you're not alone. The answers from this video will give you the clarity you need to move forward with your new smile. Let's get started with these frequently asked questions. Number one, why do I need crowns? You might need crowns because of cosmetic reasons or because your teeth have weakened over time. After years of grinding, clenching, chewing, small fractures, or bite issues, teeth can start to wear down. Crowns help protect your teeth, restore strength when you chew, and help you feel confident about smiling again. It is safe to get dental work done in Colombia? This is a very common concern and honestly makes total sense. That's exactly why I'm here, to help you discover a reliable, safe, and affordable way to take care of your dental health. Colombia has become a well-known destination for dental treatments thanks to modern technology, strict protocols, and high-quality materials, all focused on your safety and quality of care. Do you know that on top of the affordable prices, dental offices here follow standards comparable to the US, and we take that responsibility very seriously. Question number 3. It is only about cost? Cost is part of the decision for many patients, but it's not the only reason. For most people, it's about finally being able to do the dental work they've needed for years at a more affordable cost with high quality care while enjoying a mini vacation in a paradise like Cartagena. If you want a full video about dental prices in Colombia, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to create one for you. How many crowns do patients usually need? Well, it varies. You might need 4 crowns, 10 crowns, or even 20 crowns. It really depends on your teeth, on your bite, and your overall dental health. If you want to have a clear idea, feel free to reach out. Send us a message because planning before your trip, it makes all the difference. Question number 5. Can this planned before I travel? Yes, absolutely. In fact, most of the planning is done before you arrive. We review your dental records, photos, and goals in advance so we can create a very accurate treatment plan and share it with you before you even book your tickets. If you're ready, click the link below and upload your information to start planning your dental trip with us. Question number 6. How long do I need to stay in Cartagena? A crown treatment can take anywhere from 3 business days up to 2 weeks. The exact length of your stay depends on the number of crowns needed and the material used, such as zirconia or porcelain. We plan your timeline in advance so your stay is efficient, comfortable, and well organized. Here in fantastic Cartagena, Colombia, dental care can be up to 3 times more affordable than the US and Canada. While your dental crowns are being made, you can also enjoy a mini getaway in this beautiful country. If this feels right for you, don't wait too long and send us a message. Question number 7. Is this painful? Honestly, crowns treatment are not highly invasive procedures. We use local anesthesia appropriate for the treatment, which is more than enough to keep you very comfortable. Most patients are surprised by how smooth and manageable the process feels. Question number 8. What about the quality of the materials for my crowns? We use high quality materials designed to be both durable and natural looking, such as zirconia and porcelain. For example, zirconia is a very long-lasting material, ideal for back teeth or cases where strength is essential. Porcelain materials like IMAX are known for their natural appearance, making them a great option for front teeth and visible areas. Here, we guide you in choosing the right material so your crowns feel strong, look natural, and fit your life comfortably. Are there any additional treatments I might need with dental crowns? Well, before placing crowns, some patients might need minor gum adjustments or extra support to strengthen the tooth. If the teeth is very damaged, a root canal might be needed. But don't worry about it. The most important thing is that everything is carefully planned ahead of time. Will you help me design the smile I want? Yes. Some patients want a brighter smile and some others want a more subtle, natural look. We guide you through the selection of color, shape, and design so your smile feels confident and beautiful. This is something we discuss while you're here, but in the meantime, you can leave us your comment telling us what you like, what you don't like, and what feels right for you. I'm excited to read you in the comments. One of the nice things about crown treatments is that there are days off while your crowns are being made at our dental lab. During that time, patients wear temporary crowns and are able to walk around, eat, explore, and enjoy this beautiful city. Cartagena offers beautiful places to visit, great food, and relaxing activities. This is why so many patients enjoy combining dental treatment with a pleasant stay. What happened after I go back home? Well, we stay in contact with you through text messages, phone calls, or video calls to make sure everything feels right and progress as expected. Most of our patients do extremely well after getting crowns, and we guide you on what to expect and how to take care of them. Last but not least, in the rare event that a follow-up with a dentist in your home country becomes necessary, we will guide you through it and keep you fully supported. Question number 13. I feel like I'm ready. What is the airport code and where are you located? Cartagena's international airport code is CTG and is very easy to fly into from the US and Canada, often with direct or one-step flights. Our office is located inside the walled city in downtown Cartagena, one of the safest and must-visit areas of the city. Thank you so much for joining us today. I enjoyed making this video and I hope it gave you the clarity and peace of mind you're looking for. I can't wait to welcome you here in Cartagena and help you move forward with your new smile.